Hey y'all, good morning. I have something that I learned that I wanted to share with you guys. But first of all, we're going to look at this garden. Everything is growing in so beautiful. Look at that. I added lighting all the way around through the back of the waterfall. But also, guess what I saw? 2 hummingbirds. Yep, I put some fresh water in for them yesterday. All right, let me show y'all what I learned. Okay, when my friend was here from Louisiana, she was telling me, I was asking her, what are all these little grasses that are growing in the ground? Every time I pick them, they come back in the same spot. She said, do not pick those. It's called nutsedge. She said, you have to get this stuff right here, which I just ordered. It's called sedge hammer. So I need to go get that little sprayer, and you have to spray them directly to kill the nut that's in the root. These little suckers will not die. No matter what I do, I cannot get them to stop growing. So I'm on my way to go get one of those sprayers for them. But look at the Peggy Martin. She's doing so beautiful. Wow, and then I added lights. I told y'all. Let me turn around so y'all can see. So I added the walkway, all the walkway lights up at night. The trees light up. And then I have these right here. It looks so pretty at night. All right, let's go look at the vegetable garden. Everything in all of my containers is doing so beautiful. They're growing. Look at the squash. The squash is getting so big. Oh my goodness, it's just beautiful. And then the tomatoes over here, put a little cage around them. You already got some little flowers in there. Doing so good. And then over here we have the peppers. And all of the peppers are doing good. Something was eating my leaves and I had to spray them. I'm gonna show y'all what I used to spray the leaves. But look at that. We got some little bell peppers coming. Since I sprayed this onto all of my leaves, whatever was eating the bell peppers has stopped. So this is it again right here. We're by the herb garden. I ended up putting the mint, the bee balm, rosemary. We picked up some kale from the Asian market. I planted that in by my strawberry. And then over here we have a whole little thyme section. Silver lemon, the Dune Valley, some cilantro. I can't see my little sign anymore. She's getting so big. Let's move it. Fennel. I don't know if fennel is supposed to be this color. Is it? My dill's doing so well. Oregano, basil, chives, Italian oregano, my lavender, different kinds of sages. So yeah, there's that boxwood bagel. I need to change the name on that one. Getting ready to go run a bunch of errands, so I wanted to show y'all the fit of the day. I have on some little white Vans. Cute little blue jean dress from Marshalls. My girl, Tony Sashery's hat. Some jewelry. So I'm gonna go get that little pump for that sedge hammer to kill all of those weeds. I have to go buy some more blueberries for my Dutch baby because Ellie ate them all. So I need to go do that. I need to go return some stuff, go to UPS. So let's go.